About this item multi-function kit: the PC screwdriver set has as many as 123 bits like Phillips, Torx, Tri-Wing, and flat that meet your need when you are DIY electronic products. It also contains 23 practical tools, such as magnetizer, magnetic pad, tweezers, suction cup, pry tools, cleaning brush, etc. You can build computer host, upgrade the hard disk and memory of PC, dismantle or clean the PS4, Switch, Xbox and other game consoles. And also can repair drones, cameras, glasses, household appliances. Humanized design: our precision screwdriver set has been professional designed to maximize your fix capabilities. The screwdriver features a particle grip and rubberized, provides a comfort grip and smoothly spinning. The 360 degrees rotating tail cap is for one-handed operation. 4.56 in extension rod is used to remove or install screws from tight spots. Flexible shaft can be bent 180 degrees and rotated 360 degrees, that can help you remove screws from corners. Magnetic configuration combines customers' needs. It is specially equipped with 2 magnetic tools and 12 pry tools. The magnetizer of this PC toolkit for gaming PC is used to add magnetism to absorb screws more strongly. 5.7*3.3 in magnetic pads will absorb small